Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. So today's video, I am bringing you guys this super cute natural hairstyle. Yes, get into it. Hello, hello, hello. Sis, can we get into it? Can we just have a moment? Hello, do y'all see the texture? Do y'all see the hey girl? Hey. Please excuse my voice, you guys. Vegas does not owe me anything and my voice is still trying to work its way back. But anyways, under $20, affordable, quick. I got it done real quick, real quick. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. But before we do, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you guys won't miss out on any of my other uploads. And without further ado, let's jump to this video. Alright y'all, so as you can see, my hair is extremely dry, so I'm just going to take my infinity spray bottle with some warm water, and I'm just going to begin to wet my hair and finger detangle with my hands first, and I'm making sure that I'm getting all of the areas that, oh baby, this hair was dry, okay? I'm just making sure that I get my hair pretty damp before I take my wide tooth comb and start detangling my hair. Now, if your hair is already detangled, you really don't have to do this step, or if your hair is washed, you don't have to do this step. I'm just going off of an old perm rod set, so yeah, I just gotta do this process. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that section away, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my other half of my head. Also, I find that working on detangled hair with this style makes it so much easier, and it allows my hair to lay super flat. So I would suggest just making sure that your hair is detangled versus not, because yeah, we want to make sure that this is laid honey. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and begin to part down the middle of my hair. I am not the best parter, you guys. I think that this was the middle, so yeah, we're just gonna rock with it. And I'm just gonna make sure that that part is nice and straight. For my cream, I'm gonna go in with the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. Y'all, this stuff smells so good, and I got it like a really long time ago, but I do find myself reaching for it just because it gives really good moisture and it smells so good, and it's infused with argan oil, so it's gonna make sure that my hair is getting that hydration that it needs. And I'm just gonna go ahead and work that into this section of my hair. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Jamaican black castor oil with coconut oil, and I'm just going to put that right on top to lock in that moisture from my buttercream. For my gel, I'm going to be taking the Ecostyle gel with castor and flaxseed oil, and I'm just going to put it really close to like the parting area, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to begin to, you know, work the gel and flatten out my hair. And I'm just going to turn so you guys can see. Ooh, baby, I got a real hook head. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm being very generous with this gel. We want to make sure that, you know, our hair is slick down. So yeah, don't skip out on the gel now. Our hair is already moisturized, so yeah, go ahead and get real friendly with that gel. And then I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser and begin to kind of smooth out my hair, just making sure that there's no like lumps or bumps and that it's as smooth as possible. And I'm going to take this elastic band and I'm just going to put that in a ponytail. I got these elastic bands from my beauty supply. I don't know the brand, but you can use any, you know, really stretchy elastic band. I'm just gonna wrap that around a few times. And as you can see, I already have like, you know, these little puffs going on or whatever, but that's not what we're doing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist away the section of hair, and I'm gonna wrap it around and make it into a small top knot, tiny bun situation. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. And then I'm just taking like a elastic band to kind of secure the buns. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back into my gel, and I'm just gonna apply it to any flyaways and really just work the gel in with my hands, smoothing it out. Now I'm just gonna take my satin wrap so my hair can just set. You wanna make sure that you are using a wrap for this, just to make sure that there's no flyaways. So the puffs that I'm using today are the Outre Timeless Ponytail, and these are so cute. It comes with 2 combs and then a drawstring, so it's a drawstring ponytail. This is the first time I ever used a drawstring ponytail, and girl, can we get into it? Like, I'm really here for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure both combs, and then once I get it to you know, the position that I want, I'm gonna pull that drawstring to secure the bun, and then I'm gonna wrap the drawstring around the bun just so that it's out of the way and it's not hanging out looking tacky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Next, I'm going to take my Edge Booster pomade, and I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, do a little swoop here, swoop there, whatever, and just get it to how I want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up one more time, because we want to make sure that those is laid, baby, like laid. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm telling you, it is so easy. You literally just switched up your whole look in minutes. Like, y'all, this is so cute, and I'm so here for it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.